Welcome to consumr.ai. Before you run a single study, you need a portfolio. Let's learn how to build one, because this is the foundation that powers every research project on the platform. Start by clicking the drop-down to select your organization. consumr.ai supports multi-org access, so if you're managing research across multiple brands or business units, you can switch between them seamlessly. Click the plus button to create a new portfolio. Think of a portfolio as the DNA of every study you'll run. It holds your brand identity, product category, competitive set, and all the AI twin segments that power your research. Give your portfolio a clear name, something your team can reference across studies and campaigns as the research library grows. Enter your brand name. This is the identity that anchors every study launched from this portfolio, from brand tracking to focus groups. Enter the product category. Category context is critical. It shapes how consumr.ai models your competitive landscape, consumer segments, and the behavioral signals your AI twins are built from. Enter the product name, the specific product or service your research will center on, giving the platform the granularity it needs to generate accurate consumer insights. Select your target country. Market selection determines which consumer data, category penetration figures, and regional behavioral signals feed into your AI twin panel. Select a language. This ensures every research output, from survey questions to insight reports, is generated in the most prevalent languages within your market. Click Recommend Competitor to auto-populate your competitive landscape. consumr.ai surfaces relevant competitors based on your brand, category, and market, sorted as direct, indirect, aspirational, or emerging. Need to add someone the engine didn't catch? Click Add Manually. Full control over defining your competitive set. Enter the competitor's brand information. The more detail you provide here, the sharper your brand tracking benchmarks and competitive positioning studies become downstream. Now assign access permissions: private for individual use, organization-wide for full team visibility, or select users for controlled access. Depends on your workflow and confidentiality needs. Click Create to finalize. From this point on, every study you launch, quant or qual, can draw on this portfolio's brand identity, competitive set, and segment definitions. Your new portfolio now appears in the list, ready to power surveys, focus groups, interviews, and any other research workflow across the platform. Click the arrow to expand the full portfolio details: brand info, product category, competitive set, market, language, all in one structured view. And you can edit any of it at any time. Update your competitive set, refine your category, adjust market settings as your research evolves. Just click Update to save. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.